Fixing your iPhone screenshot if it's not working is quick and easy. I'll walk you through the steps, but first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's head into the settings here. And the first thing we'll do is scroll down and tap on accessibility. And then we'll scroll down to tap on side button here. Now, you want to switch the click speed maybe to slow. Essentially, this changes how quickly you need to tap that side button and the volume up button at the same time. And you can see it should take a screenshot. You might want to take the case off your phone because the case could be causing issues with the physical button being pressed on the side or on the power button. Now, you can also go back here and choose other options. Tap on touch here and scroll to the bottom and tap on back tap. Now, a cool feature is you can do double back tap and you can set it to a screenshot. Now, instead of pressing these two buttons, I can just double tap that back button and it'll take a screenshot instead of using the physical buttons. I also have the option to just press and hold for Siri, take a screenshot. And just like that, Siri can take a screenshot as well. So you have a couple other options besides those two buttons. However, let's go back and say it's still not working. I would recommend going back to the very beginning, tapping on general, scrolling down and tapping on shutdown. This sounds simple, but a lot of times bugs or glitches on your iPhone are fixed just by turning your phone off and then waiting a bit and turning it back on. If that doesn't fix it, let's tap on transfer or reset, tap on reset, and we'll choose reset all settings back to factory default. Basically go and set all these back to factory default, including all those settings associated with your screenshots, and they should be working at that point.